Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase neighborhood engagement with Long and Foster beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying key community events that resonate with local residents. Reach out to local organizations to partner on these events. Create a calendar that lists these events and their details. Distribute the calendar through social media channels and community boards. Host a neighborhood meeting to discuss engagement strategies. Encourage residents to share their own event ideas and suggestions. Develop a dedicated online forum for residents to connect and collaborate. Launch a community newsletter that highlights upcoming events and local stories. Use engaging visuals and genuine stories to promote these initiatives. Consider organizing volunteer opportunities that allow residents to contribute. Incorporate regular feedback sessions to assess community interests and needs. Facilitate workshops that focus on topics relevant to the community. Utilize local businesses as sponsors or partners in events. Promote events with creative marketing strategies to enhance visibility. Engage with attendees during events to foster connections. Follow up after events to gather feedback and build relationships. Continuously evaluate the effectiveness of engagement efforts and adapt as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.